guys, my name is Ojito and I'm back for another video. And this guy, it's not Imperial 9, this is imperalgcc, my girlfriend. Okay, sorry.
You have to say that?
Yeah, I don't, yeah, I have to, but no, it's okay. So,
I'm a YouTuber.
Yeah, he's one of my best YouTuber friends, so make sure to subscribe him. I will link description down below, and yeah, please subscribe him. And yeah, he just reached 6 subscribers. That's congratulations. And today we're going to do a FIFA opening, and yeah, we just got so many good cards.
Yeah, he got today. He was like randomly opening.
Yeah.
He got company confetti, and then in the pack. He got freaking 83 to pie.
Okay, calm down.
Oh my god.
Okay, calm down. Okay,
Guys. Okay, today we are gonna do FIFA bingo.
Yeah,
Here we have some rules.
So let's.
We have in a pack the first one, the most special one. You have to get 83 dribbling plus 92 pace.
That's a lot. That's crazy.
2 players in the pack,
Yeah.
the same club.
Yeah, like same team.
And today is the derby, Atletico Madrid, Real Madrid. So we have to get 3 players from those clubs.
Yes,
Atleti or Real.
And we're
For
going
example, if I get Saul and then I get Varane and Ramos,
yes,
they count.
And I'm going to today. I'm going to open only 20 packs, and if you like
No, in 15 minutes we have to open a lot of packs.
wait, 15? No. I think 12 minutes is enough.
Yeah.
Alright, so 12 minutes.
Oh, I got Danny Rose.
Hey, he just accidentally opened.
And there are more rules. They're 80 physical, the first player.
Yeah.
And we have to get in the pack the 2 players in the same
I will
country. And 1 player that has beard.
Alright. Yeah. That's
and the
weird.
other one that is rating. His rating is more than 90. We have to get them twice.
Yes.
And a special card like Inform.
Like Inform.
And
Yeah,
an 85 more rated goalkeeper.
So that's our rules, but like this karate. So until we if one person doesn't get these all rules done, somebody's going to eat chili pepper that is very spicy, and it's going to be red, not green. And yeah, let's just go into the video.
Okay.
See you guys when we're ready. Okay, we're back, and I'm going to record like this because it's more like, you know.
Yeah.
And yeah, first pack to you guys. Let's do this. So
Hopefully you get something good.
okay, good thing. Come on. Oh, rare, new. It's new. It's back. Okay, so we got
confetti.
okay, so we got 79.
And
That's actually good.
Yes.
And he got
Confetti.
ooh, that's good. Okay, so
And I think. Okay, open it. Can I get somebody with the same country and the same club? No, I don't.
Okay. Oh, that's scary.
Does that guy in the same country or in the same club?
79.
Or wait,
79.
he has more than 78, 80 dribbling.
Okay, that's
89 pace. You're near.
yeah.
Do you have a guy in the same club or same country?
Yeah. I had, so that's good. Oh, France. Oh, it's new 79. That's horrible.
Does it have?
It's okay. It has 83 pace. That's good.
Okay. Do you have same club or something?
Yes.
Okay. I don't have same.
Okay.
Oh, I have same country.
Oh, Brazil.
Point. I have
Okay,
point.
Okay, 80.
I'm gonna put
I got
Imperial.
Sydney. I got him.
Imperial has done the same country.
I got same country. I got same country.
Dojito.
I got same country. So, it's a non-rare.
But super physical.
No. Okay, 79.
I got Mangala.
35 pace. That's horrible.
84 physical. Point. No.
I got 85 drifting. I got 85 drifting.
Oh, really?
So next pack.
And I.
Come on, let's do this. Come on. Oh, wait, is it rare? Oh no. Okay, 79 pace.
Oh, new. I got Cam.
Face.
Is it good? It's from
83.
Borja.
Okay, so we got
nobody in the same club.
we got rare.
A lot of same country.
Okay, we got 80. That's good.
Does he have 90 play? Dribbling.
Okay.
I don't have a lot of dribbling players.
I got same club. Yes, I got.
Oh really?
Yeah, I got same. Wait, D
for the detail.
And now
Oh, 80
I got
physical.
Soldado.
80 physical. Yeah, I have 80 physical.
Okay. Come on. Oh, it's rare. Okay. Close up.
Same club.
Oh, German. Oh, who is it?
Small shirt.
Oh, small shirt. Okay.
Okay, I'm
Small shirt.
opening.
That's good. Oh, I.
Oh, it's Kaka. I got
Okay.
Kaka. He has
Kaka.
80 dribbling. No, nothing.
Okay, so it's rare.
Oh,
Oh, Missy. Oh, that scared me. Oh, okay. I got 18.
oh, I have the same club. I have same club.
Okay, he's doing good. I got have beard. I got beard.
Oh, you have a beardy man?
Yeah, beard. So there you go.
Okay, I have
next.
Liverpool guy. It's Henderson. He has a beard.
Okay, so let's open my I don't know pack, but rare. Oh, it's the same guy I think.
No,
Dalmiche.
Demichelis.
Okay.
Oh, new. It's
Okay, so
Topal doesn't have. Does your player have more than 80 physical?
wait.
Matic.
Company, Matic. That's good.
88
physical. Okay, the
D for Dojito.
that is crazy. Okay. Okay, I got
Okay.
so German. Oh, Rails. No. Okay, wait. Okay.
Oh, I think this player.
Oh, Bokba. I got Bokba, but not the like the good one. So, okay. Oh, not that good.
Oh,
but
it's not an 85 more goal.
Still good.
We're in the hard ones. We need a guy with more than 92.
Okay, come on.
85 dribbling, please.
Come on, rare, new, Cameron.
Oh,
Liverpool. Oh, 79. Okay, that's good.
More than-
92 pace. 92 pace. Oh, that's crazy.
Oh, I got that guy as well.
Oh my God, I got Pogba again. That's crazy.
I have
So,
84 dribbling.
okay, come on, Madrid or Atletico. Come on, Spain. Oh no.
Is it more than 85?
Oh yes.
Is it more than 85?
Oh my God, Jose Reina.
Oh, Halloween special card! Halloween special card!
No way.
Schneider!
No way.
84 rated and 85 dribbling and 87 passing.
That is crazy in imperalgcc. So
Yeah, guys, I got a Halloween card.
okay, so let's open more.
Okay,
Okay.
I got Cam. Real Madrid! Marco Asensio. I got Marco Asensio,
God,
Real
okay.
Madrid. I'm gonna put one for Imperial.
Guys, I really don't want to eat a chili. So, Brazil.
No, it's not Atletico.
Oh man.
Check if you have Atletico.
Barcelona.
Or have special cards, so I for Imperial. Oh, I have Kiko Casilla, Real Madrid. I have two Real Madrids.
Oh my God. Okay, I got that guy. Not that good. Okay,
Two
let me
for
see.
Imperial.
I got this. This one.
You have more than 90 rated player.
Yeah. No. I was wrong.
Class.
Okay.
You know you will shout. That'll be your press back.
Okay, so
Please,
I got
please.
Sweden.
I will have Sain.
Oh, I got that guy. So that's good.
Sain has nothing.
Gonzalez. Okay.
I need a good goalkeeper. I don't want to eat a chili.
No, I don't want to eat the. PK. I got PK. That's crazy.
No, I don't have a very pacey player.
Okay.
I guess. Man, I need a Atleti or Real Madrid.
Come on, I need Athletic.
Paris Saint Germain. Jose, your ex. 86 pace.
That's. It's so like tiring. I need to get Atletico or Real.
I have Juventus.
Oh no, so close. Okay, so.
We're nearly to get to 14 minutes and we don't have a good goalkeeper.
Oh no.
Center back.
Oh no, I got Milan.
Oh, not good.
I got Boateng.
Oh, this is in Dojito's channel. Then we're gonna do a normal pack opening and his channel as well.
What is that?
A normal pack opening and then we're gonna do a FIFA bingo like this one in our channel, in my channel as well.
Yep.
So.
Okay, what do you get?
Ganso. I got Ganso.
Okay, that's good. All right. Come on, please. Oh no.
Oh, I have Eder as well.
Oh my God, same time. Okay.
Oh, Real Madrid. Nacho Fernandez.
Oh no. Okay.
I completed it.
I think I'm. Oh my God, Barzagli.
Oh my. I got 3 Real Madrids.
Nice, dude.
Cool. We'll have USA guy. I don't know
Okay,
this guy.
come on, Spain.
Oh.
Okay,
Can I get an athletic player in the pack?
Okay.
Okay. Oh shoot!
Oh, inform.
Oh, it's,
What?
oh my
Oh,
God! Cesar Navas.
Liverpool.
Special card. Oh no.
Oh no. Okay, there
Yeah,
you
athletic
go.
player. Oh, I have special card. I think it's a special card.
Oh, inform. Oh, Messi. Oh no, those 81.
This Fabregas.
That is
Man, confetti as well.
that is so good.
Man, I only got a Real Madrid players.
I didn't get.
Oh.
Oh, Barcelona.
Oh.
I got Matthew.
You may got.
Okay, I got all new.
Mm-hmm.
It's not new.
Because it's
Okay,
Henderson.
I got Henderson.
Oh, I got a Letty player, Cersei.
Okay.
Oh, this one. Oh, I have a new one.
Oh, new one.
I have Luis Hernandez.
Bruma.
Bruma. Oh, as well got Bruma, and then I got something sick. Oh, we have all have new. Oh. Oh, Real Madrid, you have Morata.
Oh yes! Finally! I am so done with my life. I finally came.
One for Rojito.
And guys, this is a long video, so I will come back when I'm ready.
93 pace. 93 pace.
Okay, that's
good. Imperial has more than.
Okay, now,
50 pace.
wait. Friends.
Oh, Real Madrid, a legend. I got a legend. I got Robbie Fowler. Robbie Fowler.
What? Let me see. What? No way.
And Fabio Quintras.
No, this is crazy. I think the win is Imperial GCC. Wow, he got a legend. So yeah, probably I will be back when I'm eating on chili. Okay, just saying. Right now I'm not eating on chili. We have to complete more, so we will come back. No, don't.
Lacazette.
Oh, okay, he got Lacazette. And yeah, that's very good. Courtois, he got
Courtois.
Oh my God! No way! He almost completed. Okay, I will come back.
Dohan.
Okay, guys. Right now we're so tired. We only need 90 rated players. One of them, and then one of them lose. They eat the chili. So this is so intense. No way! Look, this is one of the best legendaries. Look, he got Beckham.
Beckenbauer.
93 rated. No, that means he won. He has 94 defense. That is crazy.
Beckenbauer.
What? Okay, so I just dropped my iPad with the screen. Holy cow!
Oh my God.
Look, I just dropped my iPad.
I'm gonna be nice.
I'm
gonna be nice and not let him.
Oh, thank you, Imperial GCC. So
thank you for watching, and
wait,
say bye bye.
Not now. Wait. Hey, wait. We forgot to eat a chili. Me.
No, but you're not gonna eat a chili.
No, I need to for you to.
No. I'm not gonna let you know.
I am. It little bite. So he got a legend. 93.
Oh my God! I got an inform.
Oh, he got an inform. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, so I will come back with a chili. He had 93 Beckham. That is one of the best legendaries.
Beckenbauer.
Beckenbauer. 93 rated. Okay, that's crazy. But yeah, I will come back and just look. Last. Okay, that's bad. Okay, so I will come back with a chili. Okay, I'm back. Look at this. One plate, one chili. It looks so spicy. So yeah, I have a dish for emergency. Let's do this.
His sweet is like.
Holy shit! Oh!
Oh my God. Okay.
Oh my! Shit! Oh!
Wow, guys. Bye. That's everything for today.
No, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Oh man, that's so hot. Make sure to subscribe to him. Imperial GCC. Link in the description. And bye. Oh shit.